Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Gather ingredients: 2 slices of hearty bread, 2 tablespoons pesto, 1 medium tomato, 2 ounces fresh mozzarella, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. Slice the tomato to 3/4-inch thickness and pat dry with a paper towel to avoid soggy bread. Tear or slice the mozzarella to about 1/4-inch pieces so it melts evenly when toasted. Spread 2 tablespoons of basil pesto evenly on one side of each bread slice. Press gently to ensure even coverage without tearing the bread. Place the mozzarella and tomato slices onto the pesto side of one bread slice, arranging so each bite has both tomato and cheese. Place the other slice pesto side down to form a sandwich. Season the tomato with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper for balanced flavor. Brush the outer bread sides with 1 tablespoon olive oil total and grill in a skillet on medium heat, 3 to 4 minutes per side, until golden brown and cheese has softened. Press gently with a spatula while grilling to compress and warm fillings. After grilling, transfer the sandwich to a cutting board and let it rest 1 minute before cutting to retain melted cheese and juices. Cut on the diagonal for easier handling and a classic presentation, then serve immediately with a small salad or chips for texture contrast. For variations, add arugula, roasted peppers, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze. For a crispier crust, you suppress or increase heat briefly. Store leftovers wrapped in foil in the fridge up to 24 hours and reheat in a skillet 2 to 3 minutes per side.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.